Good night. My name is Juan Diego Torres Torres. I am a student of Tourism and Hospitality Management program of the UMB University. Um, okay, I will start with the activity of crime investigation. What was the crime? There were two thieves that robbed 100,000 in the National Bank. Describe the crime scene. Two persons arrived to the National Bank while Robinson family was talking with the manager. The two strange persons assaulted the bank with guns. They stole 100,000 in cash. Okay. What was the evidence? First, I think that the first evidence is that there wasn't any security in the bank. This is so strange. On another hand, the cashier sent many shots while the thieves were stealing. Okay, which of the suspects is guilty? Okay, on my opinion, the guard of security is guilty because he went to the bedroom many times and he left alone the bank when the thieves arrived. This is so strange. In another hand, I think that the cashier is guilty too because she was shouting, excuse me, and I believe that she had a communication with the guard. This is my hypothesis. Maybe the guard sent messages to the cashier to inform if the police was near, or maybe the cashier texted to the guard for say that the thieves was stealing jet. Okay, what is my solution of this crime? The solution of this crime, I think that if the police make an investigation of the suspect's cell phone, we can find a solution if they are guilty or not. I think too that if there isn't nothing strange, the police could search in the cameras if there are many clues or if there are fingerprints in the door of the bank. So thanks for your attention.